friends, and welcome back to CS Mentor. So in this video I'm going to be looking at the notification that the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, in short ICSI, has released. This is with regards to granting exemption with regards to CSEET. Now CSEET is your foundation level of your company secretary program. Now this notification is granting an exemption to graduates and postgraduate students from recognized universities from appearing from the CSEET exam and enabling them to take direct admission to the CS executive program. So instead of having to go through the CSEET program, they can get direct entry into the CS executive. So what are the conditions for this is that the graduates, as we're talking about over here, the graduates having a minimum of 50% marks in any discipline. So there's no requirement that it must only be any commerce related or law related subjects. It can be any discipline of any recognized university or any other institution in India or abroad recognized as equivalent thereto by the council. So any recognized university in India or anything recognized by ICSI counts for the graduate level. Now, if you have to look at the postgraduate level, it is in any discipline, again, of any recognized university or any other institution in India or abroad, recognized by the council. So the same rule applies for both graduates and postgraduates. So to receive this exemption from the CSEET, the students will be required to pay applicable exemption fees. So friends, you all will have to pay some kind of fee if you're going to directly jump into the CS executive program. Now this change is applicable from June 20, 2021. So for students who have registered for CSET prior to June 20, 2021, then this will not be applicable for you. But if you are applying after June 20, 2021 and you have a graduate or a postgraduate degree, then you can directly enter into the CS executive program. So friends, that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I shall see you in my next video.